Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate truffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of good quality chocolate, finely chopped for easy melting. We'll also use 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to create that rich, smooth texture. Don't forget a splash of vanilla extract or your favorite liqueur for an extra special touch. Now, let's make the luscious ganache. Gently heat your heavy cream in a saucepan until it just starts to simmer, but don't let it boil. Pour this hot cream directly over your finely chopped chocolate and butter in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes, then stir gently until it transforms into a silky, smooth mixture. Chill this ganache for at least 2 hours. Once your ganache is firm, it's time for the fun part: shaping. Use a small scoop or a spoon to portion out the chilled ganache. Roll each portion between your palms to form a smooth, roughly 1-inch ball. Try to work quickly to prevent the ganache from melting too much from the warmth of your hands. Place your perfectly shaped truffles onto a sheet of parchment paper. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. For a classic look, roll your truffles in a generous coating of unsweetened cocoa powder. You can also get creative with toppings like finely chopped nuts, colorful sprinkles, or shredded coconut. Another option is to dip them in melted chocolate for an extra layer of indulgence. Store your beautiful homemade truffles in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.